The reason I stopped because you're not wearing your seatbelt. You have your license registration on you, ma'am.
I'm sorry, is that, I'm sorry. I just took my seatbelt off.
You didn't have her on.
Yes, I did.
Mm-mm.
Yes, I did.
Mm-mm.
Yes, I did.
Mm-mm.
You're gonna have to, I just took it off. I wear my seatbelt. Actually, I yell at everybody for not wearing their seatbelt.
Outstanding. Do you have your license on you, ma'am?
I'm not gonna do this morning.
Dude, we're not from here.
I know you guys are from Michigan. I saw the tag. Do you have your passport on you or some sort of ID?
I left it at the fucking house. It's not even on me.
Okay, no worries.
I got mine.
He's got his.
Okay. Do you have
I'm on my way to church right now.
Okay. Thanks, man.
Yep.
Do you actually have a DL?
What do you mean? I don't need a driver's license in America, actually. Just to be honest with you, I don't. I've already won this in court.
Fantastic.
Yeah, I was definitely wearing my seatbelt. We'll have to subpoena those videos.
What's your first name, ma'am? Ma'am, what's your first name?
What?
Your first name?
But I'm trying to figure out what crime I committed.
Buckle up, guys. Today we're diving into one of the most bizarre traffic stops you'll ever see. A woman immediately denies not wearing a seatbelt even though the officer literally saw it. What starts as a simple warning quickly turns into a debate about laws, rights, and everything in between. The tone is set, calm professionalism from the officer versus stubborn defiance from the driver. And trust me, it only gets worse from here.
It's a traffic violation, ma'am.
It's actually a civil infraction.
Which I can pull you over for, yes.
No, I was wearing my seatbelt though. We're having a dispute here. I was wearing it, and you're saying
we're having a dispute here. So here,
you can't tell me I was not wearing it.
Can you settle down for a second here? Here's how it's going to play out. I'm going to verify everything, and I'm just going to cut you a traffic warning and be on my merry way. That was my whole plan. Just to be honest with you, not to get into a long, drawn-out argument about whatever. I'm just going to verify that you have a license or whatever that says you can drive in the state of the United States. Once that's clean and valid, I'm out of here. That is my plan. All right, what's your first name, Mama?
It's Dixie.
Dixie, Miss Dixie. Okay, and your birthday?
It's in August.
August what?
22nd.
22nd?
Wow, I cannot wait to tell my professor this.
Okay, and the year?
We have to do all this over traffic?
Yeah, because I don't have her DL.
Alright guys, here's where things take a sharp turn. The officer politely asks for her license, but she flat out refuses, claiming she doesn't need one to drive. You can almost feel the officer's patience being tested as she insists on her freedom to travel. It's the classic sovereign citizen playbook. Argue first, comply never. But what she doesn't realize is that this kind of talk always leads to trouble.
Identification though.
Court.
Right.
I don't have to have
to verify your identity. Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Okay, whatever you say, but I need. What's your date of birth?
Oh, 82.
82. Okay.
282. Here's my passport.
Oh, perfect.
26. I was looking for my passport ID, but I only have my passport.
All right, thank you, Miss Dixie.
You're welcome.
Also, by any chance, do you have the registration?
This is my husband's truck.
Okay. Do you have the registration or anything that has a VIN on it?
We
no
do
worries.
things different.
I've never been pulled over before.
Okay.
Honestly.
Yeah, and I had my seatbelt on.
Okay, hang on. So all she has is her passport.
Well, the truck's not registered, so
It's not even registered? I can't even get anything back on the tag.
there's nothing for it. It's not registered.
Great. Okay.
1 to 51.
Here's where we're at.
Step out over here real quick.
Found you. You don't have your license suspended. Out of
Mine?
Yeah. Can't find you, and we can't even find the truck. It's not even registered. So I'm gonna run the VIN real quick. Yeah. I mean, we have access. We have access from. We have access in the database of all the states, but I'm gonna run the VIN and see what we get. That's where we're at. Hello.
What's going on?
How's it going?
These guys said to give us fucking warnings when we get to church.
I understand that, but you guys need to have at least a state ID.
I'm actually in Homeland Security School. I'm like going for my bachelor's associates. That's not true.
What are you talking about?
I understand that, but you are required to have a driver's license.
No, you're not.
Okay.
That's
all right.
Title 18, Section 31, brother. I know what the words
He's a
are.
lawyer.
Okay.
That's why we got a passport. It actually says on there to not detain.
And I've been pulled over
If I'm correct,
a few different times and never have a problem. It's always freaking Florida.
Miss Dixie.
I want to talk to you about the problem.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not finding it at all.
Well, I don't know what to tell you. They're on a paper system.
Okay.
And what is this guy talking about? A passport isn't an identification.
His formal identification is not a form for a license to operate a motor vehicle.
Yeah, but we're not a resident of the state of Florida.
You still have to have a license to operate a vehicle in the state of Florida.
Okay.
Go ahead,
Okay.
Eustace.
I actually am getting my bachelor's in social.
Now watch closely. This is where the excuses start piling up. She finally identifies herself but hands over a passport instead of a driver's license, claiming it's all she needs. Then, the officer discovers the truck isn't even registered. At this point, you can sense the shift. The officer's tone hardens, the tension builds, and it's clear the stop is about to go completely off the rails.
Okay, first of all, that would be like calling somebody black.
Things go from bad to ridiculous when her husband steps in, claiming he's a lawyer and throwing around federal law, jargon, like it's going to save them. He quotes random legal codes, argues about jurisdiction, and tries to sound authoritative, but ends up exposing how little he actually understands. The officer stands firm, letting the couple dig their own hole deeper with every sentence.
Comment. You just asked me if I was a sovereign citizen. Everybody is a sovereign. Why? I would like the OIC. Cody, why are you arresting me? Good, arrest me. I hope you arrest me. Call Kathy right now. Get my attorneys on the phone. Don't touch me. Okay. Okay.
All right, ma'am.
Okay.
Get up.
Okay.
Charge resisting now.
Okay. I'm not resisting anything. You just pulled me back.
And here it is, the breaking point. She compares being treated as a sovereign citizen to being discriminated against for race. A statement so absurd, even the officers can't hide their disbelief. The situation explodes. She's screaming, resisting, and then suddenly claims she's pregnant. The officers stay professional but firm, bringing the encounter to a dramatic peak that perfectly defines the chaos of these interactions.
It is the law. You cannot handcuff me behind my back.
Thanks, guys.
Why are you guys being so aggressive?
All right.
You cannot.
My guys are not being aggressive. Your wife is taking things up a notch, unfortunately.
I get that.
But and this is where we're coming from. She doesn't have a driver's license.
She should.
Okay.
But she's
There's
not
n-
driving right.
No, she
You're
was
insinuating
she
that.
was driving. That's what I'm saying. I saw her drive.
I'm telling you, we're not driving. We're traveling.
Okay, you're traveling, whatever you want to call it, but she does not have a valid
What do you mean?
driver's license.
Feet in now.
Are being
So
calm.
here's the
All right,
deal.
put your
Now
feet
you're being
in.
charged resisting.
What?
You're being charged resisting as well. I'm not putting up
I
the bullshit.
didn't resist. I was backwards. How can I resist?
Put your left foot in. Not lawfully obeying to command.
Two? What is the first command?
I told you to go to the car
Why would you
Walk
put
over
me
here.
and detain me?
because you're being
Put
arrested.
your left foot
But
in
for
now.
what?
I already explained to you. Operating a motor vehicle in the state of Florida without a valid
That
license.
is not your that is
Okay.
not a vehicle.
Watch your knee.
That'll be for you.
My passport says
Foot
do
in
not.
aside.
Now comes the meltdown. While being detained, she starts yelling about being a Homeland Security student and threatens to sue everyone on scene. Her logic collapses entirely, replaced by paranoia and fantasy. The officers, unfazed, just keep doing their job. It's a textbook moment showing how delusion collides with reality when sovereign citizens meet actual law enforcement.
To stand up for, our rights.
Okay, and I'm totally fine with that. I
Okay.
respect that by all means. It's okay. I don't mean to insult you by asking that question. But
Okay.
the certain language that was being used, it kind of had me a little concerned.
Okay.
You guys are
I mean, I wanna make sure.
traveling, but
Yeah.
you guys got to have a driver's license. You can't have a passport and stuff for ID purposes.
In Florida. Yeah, it is for ID purposes.
For ID purposes, but for driving a motorized vehicle in the states, you need a driver's license.
You do not need a driver's license to travel.
Yes, you do.
All right, ma'am. I have a female officer pat you down, make sure you don't have anything.
Okay, this is an
Illegal on
abuse
your
of
person.
power, and
It's not
I
an
will
abuse of
be.
power,
It's
it's-
okay. Let her pat
it's
me
our
down.
policy.
Let her pat me down. You can go ahead and pat me down,
Right
ma'am.
over here. There you go.
I have the right to remain silent,
yes.
and that's what I choose to do so from now on. You will not get my fingerprints. You will not get anything from me.
Do you have anything on you, guns, drugs?
No, I don't have anything on me. Anything. Anything.
Pat you down real
Go
quick.
ahead.
Do you have anything in your bra?
I don't have anything in my bra but
just
my
making
boobies. Oh my God, I cannot wait to file a lawsuit against.
As things wind down, her husband keeps grasping at straws, talking about fake settlements, fake immunity, and fake laws. The officers remain professional, wrapping up the stop while the narrator closes with sharp sarcasm. It's a perfect reminder that arrogance and ignorance are a dangerous mix. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.
I've already won that with section and case law. God damn it, I'm in Homeland Security School. Are you guys kidding me? I could be your boss in another 3 years. It's in the middle of teaching me that this craft is crap.
Okay.
Cody, call Kathy. Tell her to get here now. My children are with somebody else, you stupid
You can
idiot.
step aside, watch your head.
I can't even believe you guys.
Watch your knee.
Bye, have a great time.
What'd she do?
So they're trying to walk her to the car, and she's yelling and screaming and purposely tripped herself down on the ground to make it look like we were being physical.
Sovereign citizen?
Yeah, the terms that they're using. Traveling. I don't contract with the government. We don't need a driver's license. We have our passports. You guys are like on your high horse, like authority type. The language is all there.
Yeah, I noticed that. It's Sunday. People are supposed to be happy.
Not her.
She's far from happy right now.
I need you to take her to the PD.
She's in my car right now.
Oh, she is?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
I mean, what?
Trade places then. Now, if you want to have the
I'm
truck,
gonna
if
have
you want
it
the truck
towed to
moved
church,
to the
right
church,
next-
you can do that with the tow truck company. Okay.
Do what? Yeah, I'm gonna call the tow truck company, but I still don't want them to remove my plate. That's my metal, man.
As things wind down, her husband keeps grasping at straws, talking about fake settlements, fake immunity, and fake laws. The officers remain professional, wrapping up the stop while the narrator closes with sharp sarcasm. It's a perfect reminder that arrogance and ignorance are a dangerous mix. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.